What if I told you that you could create a cinematic transition video using two images and a simple tool? This entire video was created using Soloa.ai. First, go to your assistant, type what you want to generate, no guessing, then your prompt is ready. Go to AI images, select the model, the aspect ratio, input your prompt, then hit generate. Do this for other images like the car, the man standing. Go to AI videos, select model, the aspect ratio, input your prompt, upload your start and end frame, and hit generate. Repeat this for every scene. And that is it. Your cinematic transition video is ready. No experience needed, no switching between tools. Everything happened using Soloa.ai. The full prompt is in the description below. Try this today and follow for more tips.